Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a smoky eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario Master Nudes Mattes Neutrals, Master Matte Neutrals palette to create this look. We're only going to be using 2 shades. It is so easy to create this beautiful eyeshadow look that will enhance and look beautiful on your deep set eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. So on my inner corners and inner part of my eye, I just went in with my NYX Wonder Stick and the highlight concealer side just to brighten up that inner corner area. Right, we're gonna go into the darkest shade first, which is M10, the darkest shade that we're going to be using, and this flat kind of dome shaped brush. I'm going to dip into that and we're going to start on the inner lash line and work our way out. And as we work our way out, we're going to kind of create like a triangle. So wider on the outside. And coming into a point on the inside, and this is going to be where the color is most concentrated. The deep set eyes, we don't want to put any kind of shadowing or depth in there, but we can put darkness along the lid as well as the crease. It's just this inner part of the eye we want to keep. Now that we have that down and we've got it going into kind of like an angle out towards the outer part of the eye, this is the most kind of concentrated part that I have. The shadow, I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and the same color, and I'm going to just kind of buff that on the eye and in the crease. So really just get that brush in the crease and above the crease as well. And you'll get a little bit of that tone just on the bridge there. And we still have all the brightness in that inner corner. Now I'm going to take another rounded fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with the shade right below it, which kind of is like a beige peachy tone. This is the shade MN6. And I'm going to blend that on the eyelid as well. I'm going to blend that on the lid and then I'm going to start buffing it on to my brow bone. Those 2 shades blended beautifully together. We still have this nice lightness right in the inner corner. And these tones, like I said before, you can just keep layering them on. They're not so pigmented that they're messy. Like I just used a deep grayish purple blue tone and I don't have it all over my face. So that is a bonus. All right, I'm gonna go in with this small, oh, someone's sneezing. You okay, buddy? Brush from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, and I'm going back into M10. And now I'm going to go along my lash line. Now I'm going to go in with M6 and this squared off dome brush. And I'm going to blend that into the grayish tone. And this is going more in the inner part of my eye. All right, so I tight lined with eyeliner on my upper and lower waterline, puts on some L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and this is the final look, you guys. So easy to do. How beautiful. I'm obsessed. The tones in this palette are so pretty, so easy to work with, blend with each other beautifully, are buildable, and so simple to create a smoky eye look for deep set eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.